Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today, we're taking a look at the 2026 Forest River Salem 177ICE. Starting on the exterior, this unit has a clean, compact look that's easy to tow and easy to enjoy. It's a great option for campers who want something lightweight, simple, and ready for weekend trips. Now stepping inside, the first thing you'll notice is the bed area. Up front, you've got a comfortable sleeping space with storage above and below it. Moving back, you'll find the kitchen table area. This gives you a nice spot to sit down and eat, and it also features 2 storage compartments below it, which adds even more usable space. Even better, the table pulls down into a bed, giving you extra sleeping space when you need it. From there, you come into the kitchen area, where you'll find cabinets below the countertop for added storage. You also get a 2-burner cooktop, a microwave, and a sink, giving you the essentials you need to prepare meals on the road. Next is the fridge, giving you a convenient place to keep your food and drinks cold while you're out camping. After the fridge, you'll find the rear bathroom. This space includes a toilet, sink, and shower, giving you everything you need to stay comfortable while you're on the road. This floor plan makes great use of every inch of space, giving you smart storage, flexible sleeping, and everything you need in a compact travel trailer. If you're looking for a lightweight camper that's practical, efficient, and easy to take anywhere, the Salem 177ICE is definitely worth a look. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.